My work is done. What do you want? What I can do for you?
Huh?
Nothing. I'm talking to myself. Hey, sorry. Sorry. Oh my God, natatawa ako sa sarili ko. Kailan ba ako matuto mag-English? Uy. I'm sorry. What I can help you? Do you want a sweetie? Sweetie? Nawala na ako. So, I'm just done working. I work 5 hours today because we waited our customer to be done their table. My God, it's too much fly in here. Oh, I'm so tired.